historically accurate cartoon princess dances. Today we're going to take an adventure with the Nutcracker and the 4 dances of the Victorian era. The dance today is the Spanish Waltz. This was a waltz mixer during the Victorian era. It was first published in 1841 and remained popular until its final demise during World War I. The Spanish Waltz did not get its name from Spain, but from the types of waltzes that were being written during the Victorian era. Spanish-sounding waltzes were very popular, and I surmise that Tchaikovsky was giving a head nod to the popular Spanish-sounding waltzes of his day by writing the Spanish chocolate for the Nutcracker suite. So take a dance adventure with us for the Spanish dance or Spanish waltz mixer. Our first variation in our Spanish waltz are hesitations forward and back with an underarm turn. It will look like this. Step 1, hesitations. 1, hold, hold, 2, hold, hold. 1, 2, 3. Gentlemen turn to the right, ladies turn to the left. Let's repeat that 4 times or 3 more times. 1, hold, hold, 2, hold, hold. 1, 2, 3. 1, hesitate, 2, hesitate. 1, 2, 3. 1, hesitate, 2, hesitate. 1, 2, 3. So you're back with your home partner. Our second variation is 4 hands to center. Ladies' hands underneath, gentlemen's hands over the top. First with the right hand to center for 4 slow walks on hesitation timing. Second with the left hand to center with 4 slow walks at hesitation timing. It will look like this. Step 2, our 4 hands to center. We turn and place our right hands to the center, gentlemen's hands on top, ladies' hands underneath, hesitating forward for 4 slow walks. 1, hold, hold, 2, hold, hold, 3, hold, hold, 4, hold, hold. Turn and place your left hands in center, repeat. 1, hold, hold, 2, hold, hold, 3, hold, hold, 4, hold, hold. Our third variation is a right box. This was the new waltz of the 1840s. Previously we had a Ländler waltz or a French pirouette waltz, but coming from Boston they brought this new box or the new waltz with a forward side together, back side together, rotating rightwards with this gentleman right foot forward, left foot side, right foot closes to left foot. Ladies, left foot back, right foot side, left foot closes to right foot. And then repeat on the opposite foot. It will look like this. Gentlemen, forward side together, back side together, right, left, right, left. Ladies, back side together, forward side together, left, right. The couples will dance the new waltz for 6 measures. On measures 7 and 8, couple 2 will remain in their home spot, receiving a new couple 1. Couple 1 will progress down the line of dance, or counterclockwise, 1 partner to have a new square to repeat the entire sequence again. And this is how we change partners. They're dancing the new waltz box. It looks like this. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Ladies, left, right, left, right. When you put it all together, it will look like this.